Yes, yes, indeed. Once again, it's your boy, Papagato Got Kicks, here with another unboxing and review. As a matter of fact, it's the final review for the year. It's actually Christmas Eve, so I got a little early gift for myself. Not that I don't get gifts for myself a year altogether, but this one is special. I say that about all my kicks. But guess what? All my kicks are special. They're like my children, even though I only have one child. But I have all my children back here, some more upstairs. Anyway, you can see by the all black box and by the tag there, it's another Air Foamposite Pro. This is a classic. Shout out to Snipes. Snipes came through. I got the early release on these. Yeah, they're beautiful. Just in time for the holidays. Pine green Air Foamposite Pro. I mean, what could be said? It's green, clear soles, black laces, super stealthy, super classic. Got the swoosh on the back, not the penny logo. We already talked about that. This is a Foamposite Pro, not a Foamposite 1. But yeah, gorgeous shoe. It's like translucent kind of green going on here. Gorgeous girl, unbelievably nice. Might have to pop these on tomorrow for Christmas. I mean, it is green, trees and all that. Anyway, it's your boy Papagato Got Kicks. I want to thank everybody for tuning in, for subscribing to my videos and supporting, liking my content and all that good stuff. We're just getting started. Like I said, I'm trying to make this a regular thing. Gentlemen like myself, I'm 48 years old, in case you didn't know. But yeah, the love for the sneakers never dies, and we're not going to end this by a long shot. We're just getting started. Anyway, it's your boy Papagato Got Kicks. Like, subscribe, tell a friend, and I'll see you in the new year.